Bust Kwarteng and MisTrust, or I Do Not Trust, have really shaken up the property market. And the question is, are these times boom or bust? With so many investors out there panicking to change their mortgages, with interest rates currently topping 6%, with a further 1% expected next month, it makes a huge difference to the monthly outgoings for families with owner-occupied properties and buy-to-let property investors. Let's specifically look at how we can beat the system. What we've immediately seen is investors and homeowners rushing to change their current mortgages, or what we know as a mortgage product, to a new fixed term product. On the other side, we've also seen the banks scampering to take their current offerings off the shelf so that they can capitalize on the current volatility in the market and make huge amounts of money. So what we have here is a double-edged sword. On one side, we have the consumer, and on the other side, we have the banks. For current homeowners and buyers, fixing your interest rates or products for the next 2 to 5 years, and 5 years would be a recommendation, is a must. Many investors, buy-to-let investors, homeowners, have made a huge mistake, and the green light for changing your product should have been when there was the first sign of an interest rate increase. The more experienced investors immediately took action and immediately changed their current products to a fixed interest rate for 5 years. In saying that, it's still not too late for many of you out there. What I would highly recommend is changing your interest product immediately. Looking back to the financial crisis of 2008, we saw many casualties, and the key to success and protection of wealth is making sure you act speedily, and most importantly, act now. Boom or bust, Kwarteng or MisTrust? That's the key question in these very testing and uncertain times. It's not all doom and gloom. There's a saying, when there's blood on the street, there's some great opportunities to be had. Change your life today. Don't gamble on the future. Act now, and most importantly, act without delay. Procrastination is like a credit card. It's a lot of fun until you get the bill. Make sure you share, like, and subscribe. The future depends on what you do today.